Hello, Namaskar to all the viewers of this channel. My dear students, we have completed three problems on bills of exchange, right? Now we are into the problem number 4. Little bit different concept is there. This question was asked in January 2025 for 5 marks. In this particular session, I am going to explain one important things. When the bills are discounted, what happened? When the bills are discounted. Discounted means what? You are selling your bills receivable to the banker. When you send your bills receivable to the banker, your bank balance will increase. What will increase? Your bank balance will increase. कब है? When the bill is discounted, please listen. When the bills are discounted, your bank balance will increase and there will be a discount. Your means a drawer. It is to be debited and it is to be debited. Then obviously when the bills are discounted, your bills receivable will decrease, it is to be credited. For this, the journal entry is bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. This is the entry for bills discounted. Now, if discounted bill dishonored means cancelled. क्या होता? You know very well, when the bills are dishonored, remember your debtors increases, it is to be debited. But you should not say bills receivable decreases. Sir, why? Why we should not say bills receivable discounted? Sir, you said same thing in the earlier three problems. Why you are changing your teaching technique? Why you are making the students to get confused? No, it's not like that, my dear children. It's not like that, my dear student. In the earlier three problems, the bill was not discounted. The bill was not endorsed. The bill was not sent to the bank for collection. Still the bill is available with a drawer only. But in the fourth problem, my dear student, the bill is discounted. जब क्या होता? The banker will collect money from us. The banker will get collected money from the drawer. Means we have to pay the money to the banker. In such case, we should not use BR decrease. We have to say that bank is decreases, it is to be credited. Please remember, please make a note of this in your notes. Already you have taken, I have given you in 1 hour 10 minutes class introduction point. But in this particular problem, we are getting that bills discounted. For that reason, I am telling you, my dear student. Did you understood? It's a very important problem. Bills are discounted. When the bills are discounted, your bank balance will increase. There is a discount, it is to be debited. BR decreased, that is to be credited. और डिस्काउंट होने के बाद that bills, that discounted bill dishonor हुआ तो क्या करना? Debtor will increase. Obviously remember that. Always remember that. It is a cent% correct that when the bill is cancelled, when the bill is dishonored, The one option is your debtor will always increase. It is 100% guaranteed. No second thought. But what to take in the credit side? Since the bills are discounted with the banker, it is the responsibility of the drawer that he has to pay the amount of bill to the banker. Then the bank balance will decrease. Did you understood what I told? Blind method is since it is a discounted bill, debtor increases, debit, bank credit. If the bill is endorsed to endorse, in such case, debtor increased debit, endorse is to be credited. If the bill is sent to the bank for collection, that collection bill is a discount, means dishonored, cancelled. Debtor increased, sent for collection is to be credited. That is the ultimate theme you need to remember. Let it be here only as it is for your reference. Please make a note of this in your key points before starting the fourth problem. Shall we start the fourth problem? I always used to tell you, my dear student, we have to analyze in whose book we have to record the entries. See, in whose book we have to record the entries? We have to record the entries in the books of, you are required to give the journal entries in the books of Mr. B. Who is Mr. B? Hum. Nanu, I. Who is Mr. B? Nanu, I. Okay, fine. Let us start the solution. My dear students, shall we start the solution? Mr. A accepted 2 bills, accepted. Accepted means drawee. Who is drawee? A is drawee because he accepted. He is also known as debtor. How many bills? 2 bills. On what date? 1st June. One is 1.5 lakh, another is 16,000 drawn on him by Mr. B. Who draws the bill? Mr. B draws the bill. Then who is Mr. B? Drawer. Always I write drawer is equal to Mr. B. Who is drawer? Hum. Nanu. Sir, why you are writing Mr. B as a Nanu? Because we are passing the journal entries in the books of Mr. B. If you are drawing journal entry in the Mr. books of A, then we can say that Nanu A, A, my A. मालूम हुआ मैं क्या बोलूं? 5. How many bills are drawn? 2 bills. First bill, second bill. कितना अमाउंट है? 1.5 lakh and 60,000. On which date the bills are drawn? 1st June 24. Fine. Who is accepted? Drawee is Mr. A. He is accepted. He is debtor. He is Avanu. Please, my dear student, you mention this explanation on the top of the margin. Okay, did you mention? Shall we move further? The bill of exchange for 1,50,000 is for 2 months. The bill of exchange for 60,000 is for 3 months. This is for how many months? 2 months. 60,000 is for 3 months. Mr. B got the first bill discounted with the banker for 1,49,000. Be careful, my dear children. What is the bill amount of the first bill? 1,50,000. It is being discounted for how much? 1,49,000. What is the difference? 1,000 rupees. That 1,000 rupees is a discount. That 1000 rupees is what? Discount. कौन सा बिल डिस्काउंट हुआ? फर्स्ट बिल. कब? On 3rd June 24. Let me write. On 3rd June 24, फर्स्ट बिल डिस्काउंटेड. डिस्काउंट हुआ तो banker will not give immediate cash on the cash counter. The banker will put the amount in your bank account. Please remember, only when the bills are discounted, we should use the bank account. Because the banker will not give the money in cash, he put the amount in our account. When bills are discounted, bank increased by 1,49,000. What is the discount amount? 1000 rupees. This discount is, remember, this discount is expenses. ओके कुल मिला के कितना हुआ अब? 1.5 लाख हुआ. फाइन. द बिल्स आर डिस्काउंटेड. बाद में क्या हुआ देखिए ना, डिस्काउंटेड भी हो गया. ऑन 2nd August 24, Mr. A requested Mr. B to cancel both the bills. Cancel both the bills. When the request was made on August 2nd. Fine. Shall we write? When? 2nd August 24. Cancel both the bills. Now I write separately. First bill cancelled. Second bill is also cancelled. What is the amount of the first bill? 1.5 lakh. What is the amount of second bill? 60,000. So both the bills are cancelled. हुआ ना? I explain in detail when we pass the journal entry. For a time being, both the bills are cancelled. Okay, fine. Draw a new bill on him with the combined amount. कौन सा? Combined amount. Combined amount बोले तो 1,50,000 plus 60,000. ये कितना हुआ अब? 2,10,000 हुआ. है ना? क्या करना? Draw a new bill for combined amount. Both the bills along with the interest 12% per annum for a period of 2 months. Okay, fine. Shall we write directly in notes? क्या करना अब? I go for next page. On what date? On what date? On August 2nd, 24. 2nd August 24. Draw new bill plus what? Interest at कितना percent? 12% per annum. For how many months? For 2 months. Now, new bill means what? पहला bill 1,50,000. Second bill is 60. Put together 2,10,000 हुआ. Plus 2,10,000 into 12% into 2 by 12. My dear children, use a calci and work out. How much we will get? Now, 2,10,000 into 12% into 2 divided by 12. 4,200. 2,10,000 plus 4,200. 2,14,200 is the amount of new bill. So अब तो न्यू बिल भी ड्रॉ हो गया. फाइन. बाद में क्या करते हैं? बिफोर द ड्यू डेट ऑफ द रिन्यूड बिल ऑन 3rd September 24 डेट दिए. ए बिकम्स इंसॉल्वेंट. कौन इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया? ए बिकम्स इंसॉल्वेंट. ए मीन्स whom? डेटॉर. डेटॉर मीन्स whom? अवनु. उन्हें इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया. कब इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया? 3rd September 24 डेट दिए. नाउ लेट अस राइट 3rd September 24. A becomes insolvent. A means avanu. Be careful, my dear student. He is insolvent. When he is insolvent, क्या करना अब? A point. Cancel new bill. वो न्यू बिल कितना है? 2,14,200 है. 2,14,200 कैंसल हुआ. बाद में क्या करते हैं? 40 पैसे इन ए रुपी कुड बी रिकवर्ड. देन 60% क्या हुआ? Bad debts. Sometimes if we say like this, 40% is could not be recovered. 40% could not be recovered बोले तो 40% bad debts. Remaining 60% recovered. Here 40% recovered बोले. What is the 40%? B point. Use calci. 2,14,200 into 40% बोले तो 85,680. Remaining 60% is bad debts. कितना होता वो? Into 60%. 1,28,520. हुआ. बाद में क्या करना? You are required to give the journal entries in the books of Mr. B. Shall we write the heading? Journal entries. In the books of Mr. B. Who is Mr. B? Who is Mr. B? Mr. B is a drawer. Shall we start the solution? Fine. See the working note. On 6th June 24. What date? On 6th June 1st June 24. 2 bills of exchange is drawn. When bills are drawn, bills receivable increased debit. Debtor decreased credit. Now who is debtor? Drawee, that is A. अब एंट्री क्या होता? फर्स्ट बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट, सेकेंड बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट, टू डेटॉर. हु इज डेटॉर? मिस्टर ए. Shall we write? On what date? I think 1st June 24. First BR account debit 1,50,000. Second bills receivable account debit 60,000 dash. To debtor. Who is debtor? Mr. A's account 2,10,000 being 2 bills drawn. Next date will be what? On 3rd June 24. First bill discounted. Bank increased. It is to be debited. Discount as a expenses debit. What happened? First bills receivable decreased. It is to be credited. Because the first bill is discounted with the banker. बैंक बैलेंस चढ़ गया, डिस्काउंट एक्सपेंसेस वो भी चढ़ गया डेबिट. आपका फर्स्ट बिल्स रिसीवेबल बैंक को जाता, फर्स्ट बिल्स रिसीवेबल डिक्रीज होता, उसको क्रेडिट करना. शैल वी राइट? ऑन व्हाट डेट? ऑन 3rd June. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, discount account debit to first bills receivable account. It is of 1,49,000. Discount is 100, 1,50,000. Being first bill discounted. देखिए ना बाद में क्या हुआ. Now tell me. Here what happened? See carefully, my dear student. Cancel both the bills. कौन सा बिल? फर्स्ट बिल कैंसिल कर रहे. ये बिल कैंसिल हुआ तो क्या होता? Debtor increased debit. We should not say BR decreased because this bill is with whom? This bill is with your banker. हम तो बैंक को पैसे देना पड़ता. So our bank balance will decrease. It is to be credited. We should not say BR decreased. Please remember, this is a very very important point. Every time हर बार क्या बोलते थे हमें? Debtor increased, BR decreased when the bill is cancelled. But my dear children, here the discounted bill is cancelled. वो बिल किधर रहता? बैंक में रहता. Debtor increased, बैंक credit, बैंक decreased credit. Because हम बैंक को पैसे देना when the bill is discounted. Entry will be what? Debtor account debit to bank. Who is debtor on 2nd August? Who is debtor? B only, right? B's account debit to bank account. कितना अमाउंट लेना? Full 1,50,000. Even if you have any noting charges, that noting charges is also to be added. Not the discounted 1,49,000. We have to take 1,50,000. Please remember, this is a very very important point to be noted. Being discounted first bill cancelled. कौन सा बिल कैंसिल हुआ? अब फर्स्ट बिल कैंसिल हुआ. बाद में देखिए ना, अब कौन सा बिल कैंसिल करते हैं? सेकेंड बिल कैंसिल. हियर आल्सो debtor increased debit, bills receivable decreased credit. Sir, why you are telling bills receivable decreased? Because ये बिल किधर है? हमारा पास ही है. Then we have to use bills receivable. Now the entry is same date. 2nd August 24. That is, who is debtor? Sorry, it is Mr. A, right? Not Mr. B, it is Mr. A. Please, sorry for this. It is not Mr. B, it is A. Who is debtor? Who is your debtor? Debtor is your A, right? A is your debtor. Fine. अब क्या लिखना? A's account debit to second bills receivable account. कितना अमाउंट है सेकेंड बिल को? 60,000 dash 60,000. Being second bill cancelled. ओके फाइन, वो भी कैंसिल हो गया. बाद में क्या करते हैं? ड्रॉ द न्यू बिल. कौन सा बिल ड्रॉ किया? न्यू बिल. व्हेन द न्यू बिल इज ड्रॉन, BR increased debit with 2,14,200. Debtor decreased and ये तो इंटरेस्ट है ना. इंटरेस्ट क्या होता? इनकम होता. और इंटरेस्ट कितना है? 4,200. This interest is an income. It is to be credited. डेटार को कितना आता, 4,200 गया तो 2,10,000 आया. This debtor is to be credited. Please remember this concept whenever a new bill is drawn. BR increased debit, debtor decreased credit with 2,10,000. ये तो 4,200 है ना, 4,200 इनकम क्रेडिट. अब एंट्री क्या होता, न्यू BR अकाउंट डेबिट टू डेटर टू इनकम टू इंटरेस्ट. कब डेट, 2 अगस्त को. Now let us write 2 August 24. New bills receivable account debit to AS account to interest account. Interest is what? Income. कितना अमाउंट लिखना, 2,14,200 dash 2,10,000 dash 4,200 being new bill drawn. ओके, न्यू बिल ड्रॉन भी हो गया. बाद में क्या हुआ, बी बिकम्स इंसॉल्वेंट. क्या करना, कैंसल द न्यू बिल. ये न्यू बिल कैंसल करना बोले तो क्या करना, द न्यू बिल इज अवेलेबल विथ whom, the new bill is available with whom, the new bill is available with us only. When the new bill is cancelled, your debtor increased debit, new bill decreased credit. Means what, A's account debit to new bills receivable account. कब, कौन सा डेट, 3 सितंबर 24 को. कौन सा डेट, 3 सितंबर 24. दैट इज A's account debit to new bills receivable account 2,14,200 2,14,200 being new bill cancelled. ओके, कैंसल भी हो गया. बाद में क्या करते हैं, देखिए ना, आफ्टर कैंसलेशन ऑफ ए न्यू बिल व्हाट हैपेंड, 40% is recovered. Cash increased debit, bad debts as a expenses debit. A is to be credited. Who is A? A is insolvent, recovered from his private estate. क्या करना, सेम डेट. सेम डेट बोले तो 3 सितंबर 24. Cash account debit, bad debts account debit to A's account. How much is recovered? Recovered is 40%, 85,680. How much is bad debts? 1,28,520. To A को कितना दिखना, full amount of the bill, that is 2,14,200 being 40% recovered from A. My dear students, did you understood? This question is asked in which year? January 2025. Be careful how to handle this kind of problems. इधर क्या हुआ, 2 बिल भी कैंसिल हो गया. पहला बिल डिस्काउंट हुआ था, सेकेंड बिल डिस्काउंट नहीं हुआ था. दैट इज द एरिया, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, वेर यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट व्हेन द सेकेंड बिल मीन फर्स्ट बिल इज डिसऑनर्ड, first bill is cancelled. That is, this third entry is very, very important. Please go through it very carefully. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaskar. All the best.